Confirm your visa type. Student visa. I have applied my visa on June 8th and the student visa category, and these are the documents I have uploaded: the education evidence, the financial evidence, TV certificate, and other documents like passport and caste letter. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to my channel Namano Prayanam. If you are watching this video, by this time you might paid your health surcharge fee before applying for the student application visa, and also you might got your caste letter and you have your funds ready with you for applying your student visa. Please subscribe my channel Namano Prayanam. I make videos on study in UK, and also I made couple of videos on my hair transplantation journey. Please do subscribe and support. I hope before applying for your student visa, you might have got your caste letter and you have your funds ready with you and you paid your health surcharge as well. In this video, we'll look into how to apply for your UK student visa. Go to government.uk portal. Under the student section, click apply. If you are watching my channel for the first time, I have already made what are the documents required for applying the student visa. I will add those videos as well. Please do watch before watching this video. Under this, please go to start now. In this, they are asking, are you intending to live in one of the crown dependencies of United Kingdom, that is Jersey, Guernsey and the Isle of Man? No. Next, do you have any current EU, EEA or Swiss passport? So in my case, no. Confirm your visa type. Student visa. Select a country to provide your biometrics. So here we need to give our country name, India. Then next, check available visa application center locations. In case of India, the applications are handled by VFS Global for the UK and European countries. So let's click VFS Global here. So apply for UK visa. Where are you applying from? So India. Let's start it. So this is the VFS Global website, wherein we have the sections: apply for visa, find a center, payment services, supporting documents. So let us find our center first. These are the UK visa application centers in India. We have Bangalore, Chennai, Gurgaon, Hyderabad. So I am from Hyderabad. I will show you where is the exact location of VFS Global Hyderabad. So this is the Hyderabad address, and the VFS Global Services Private Limited located at Banjara Hills, road number 12. So this is the VFS Global address, which is the place where we need to go and give our biometrics. So now we have found our application center. I have identified the location where I will provide my biometrics. So click here. So now we need to apply our student visa. Start a new application. So under these visa applications, we have the sections: start, application, documents, declaration, pay, and further actions. Now let us start the application. We need to give our email address. We need to give your password. Then we will get an email for confirmation. Then we need to fill all the details that are necessary for your visa application. So I have already done that. I will show you how my application looks like. So this is my UK visa immigration application. Applicant name Devi Manohar Veeravalli. Unique application number. GWF is a unique serial number or reference number that is issued when you first apply for UK visa. So this is very important. Then we need to give our passport number, our nationality, date of birth, gender. I have applied my visa on 4th June 2022. And the type of visa is student visa. We need to give our caste number. Then the service option, COVID, and also is providing visas for Ukraine refugees. As of now, there is only one service option, that is standard. Previously, they used to have other premium visa services as well. So as of now, it is standard. And the total fee 36951. I have paid already. Submission method online, and they will ask you the personal information, your email address, details, and the university details, and the course name. Everything you need to fill as per our caste letter and our unconditional offer letter. We need to give our address, correspondence address, from how many years we are staying there. We need to give our passport details, the issue date, the expiry date, and also our parent details. Next they will ask you about our employment status. They will give you options wherein whether if you have worked under those list of jobs. So I have not worked in any of the jobs listed above. We need to select that. And they will ask you whether if you have family in UK, no. And accommodation details. As of now I'm thinking of private housing, so private housing. And they will ask you traveling history in UK, if you ever went to UK in past 10 years or not. Okay, in my case no. And travel history to other countries like Australia, Canada, New Zealand, USA, 0. Here, have you been to any other countries in the past 10 years? So apart from UK and other countries mentioned above, so in my case I went to United Arab Emirates, Dubai, and I stayed 2 months over there. So I have mentioned my details here. Country I have visited, purpose of visiting, the year I have visited. So other history, convictions and other penalties. At any time you have ever had any of the following in the UK or any other country: a criminal conviction or any arrest warrant, anything that sort. Now they will ask you about your sponsor, their license number, the university. Sponsor is the university, so you need to give the university license number which is given in your CAS, and also the university address. The English language, yes, I have given my IELTS. Do you have any scholarships like Marshall, Shaving, Commonwealth Scholarship? No. Do you have any student loan? No. And here maintenance, financial institution such as bank or building society. So my funds are in State Bank of India, so I have mentioned that. And the documents, the passport is mandatory, and other documents such as statements from personal bank, that is your funds. And also if you provide any qualification evidence to your sponsor for them to issue your cash, you must submit this evidence, including translations. For example, you might have sent your sponsor your certification of qualification or transcript of results. So in this section, whatever documents you have uploaded to get your unconditional offer letter or to get your cash letter, all those documents we need to mention it here. And these documents should be uploaded in the visa application, and also you should carry all these documents with Xerox and in original to the application center. Now the payment. So after submitting your visa application, and once we go to UK, we will have BRP card, wherein we need to collect that BRP card in the post office or at the university within 10 days. They will ask you postcode for BRP collection. I have mentioned my university postal address, and they will give our BRP collection location, the nearest post office. So the service is standard. So here, immigration health surcharge reference number. As you previously paid your health surcharge, we need to give that reference number here. I already made a video on how to pay health surcharge. I will provide you the link, please do watch it. Next is the application for student visa. To pay this much amount for the visa application. So finally, consent, I confirm and I understood, I accept these conditions. So declaration, yeah, that's it. So after filling all these details online, we need to pay the student visa fee. Please save your payment receipt. So once your payment is done, we need to book your appointment to give your biometrics. So in the VFS Global website, please sign in here with your application number and other details so that you can book your appointment slot. So on the day of appointment, please take 2 sets of Xerox copies of all the original documents along with the original documents which you have used to apply your cash letter, which you have applied to get your unconditional offer letter and also your cash letter. Please go to the appointment center 30 minutes before. Along with you, please take COVID vaccination certificate as well. So after booking your appointment, you will get a confirmation letter, the appointment confirmation and the visa application center where you need to visit and the appointment details, your name, reference number and the appointment date. I have applied my visa on June 8th and the student visa category, and these are the documents I have uploaded: the education evidence, the financial evidence, TV certificate and other documents like passport and cash letter. And a quick update, as global is UK Visas and Immigration is currently prioritizing applications made under the Ukraine Family Scheme. As a result, UKVA have temporarily suspended priority and super priority services for new study, work and family applications. So as of now, we only have standard visa application process. On the day of my appointment, I went to the VFS Global Center and it took me around 45 minutes to 1 hour to submit my documents and give the biometrics. I have submitted my student visa application and they told me like it will take around 6 weeks to process the visa application. Please do watch my videos. I will keep posting on my visa and also I will make more videos on studying UK. Please do watch and subscribe my channel Na Mano Prayanam.